Hey Bob, how are things going in the database area?
Hey Nancy. Things could be better. We couldn't bring up our online systems on time this morning because our batch DB2 applications had not finished processing. Management is really upset, and is afraid we are going to have to pay for another CPU upgrade so soon after the last one. We have a lot of batch DB2 jobs, but we are not sure whether they are performing optimally. Batch jobs run a long time. But who is to argue that a program that runs for 30 minutes should really run in 3? We just don't have a good handle on batch DB2 performance.
Maybe you need to be talking to Softbase Systems. Their batch analyzer tool could help you get a handle on your batch DB2 job performance issues.
Wow, that would be a godsend. Please tell me more.
Softbase's Batch Analyzer is a unique SQL performance tool that looks at SQL performance from a batch job perspective. It shows you your worst performing batch DB2 jobs, and then lets you drill down to the worst performing job steps within the job, then the worst SQL in those steps. You can then view the SQL, including dynamic SQL, explain those SQL statements and determine if and why the SQL is not performing optimally.
But we cannot run detailed SQL performance monitoring on batch jobs because of the overhead.
Softbase's Batch Analyzer uses a unique technique to minimize overhead. Users report very low overhead, even when monitoring all their batch jobs. I understand that one of their customers installed the product and unintentionally started monitoring all their batch jobs, and didn't even notice the overhead.
That would be great, but I wish we didn't have to wait until applications are in production to discover SQL performance problems. I don't have time to turn on and off detailed traces for developers in the test environments.
Because of Softbase's Batch Analyzer's low overhead and ease of use, it is a great tool for application developers to use to analyze the SQL in their batch programs during testing, as well as after those applications are in production. In addition, Batch Analyzer can identify programs that don't have commit statements, and calculate potential rollback times should the application abend.
Yes, we have too many programs that don't commit. Those need to be identified and changed.
Those programs would be the best candidates for Softbase's checkpoint facility, which would allow those programs to be restarted at the last commit point, rather than suffer a long rollback and rerun.
So Softbase can help me find batch applications that need tuning, and can help them run more efficiently?
Visit www.softbase.com for more information on their DB2 for COS solutions.